Hey beauties, I'm back. This time we have a straight lace front wig. I have it customized here. I would have shown you from start to finish with the customizing, but I started doing the install for another video and I never finished. So I said, why not start it all over again, especially because straight wigs are a must and I love to wear them, okay? So as you can see, this hair comes pre-plucked. I just bleached these knots and that's about all. I just washed it and this is how the hair is looking. Dry. It's just been air dried, so I don't put any heat into it until I install it. So let's start to install it. So we're gonna use my fave. Y'all know how I do. Gots to be glue to lay this wig. So I always focus on the middle first and then I do the sides. You want everything to lay properly. And then I like to measure my forehead so I can make sure it's not like too far forward. So after you're done laying the wig, you want to make sure all the hair is pulled back, and then we're just going to clean up any excess glue before we melt this wig. And I'm just going to pull out a thin layer of baby hairs. Now I learned that if you want the same baby hairstyle that I had, to actually pull out the baby hairs before you lay the wig so everything could just be super flat. I'm using the razor to cut the baby hairs because we don't want all the hairs to be the same length. We want it to look as natural as possible. Now I'm just tying up the hair because that is going to help keep everything in place while I am straightening the hair. Here I'm just using some frizz busters. You can use anything like olive oil, argan oil, any oil that you have available, and just use a small amount, and that's just gonna help keep the hair super straight and not frizzy or have any of those flyaways. Oh my gosh, y'all, I was super happy in how the hair straightened. It straightened so well. You know how some hair is still frizzy towards the ends, no matter how much you straighten it? Not this hair. This hair is on point. When I tell you on point, I mean on point. And this frontal, look at this. Amazing. Everything just laid just right. The lace is looking very transparent. You can't see where it starts and where it ends. That's exactly what we want. So since the lace looks so good, I'm gonna do a half up, half down do. and it's super easy to do. And this wig is on flat, so some wigs you really can't do this style because it look like a big hump, but not this wig. It's super sleek. I love it. I cannot express it enough. To style my hair, my baby hairs, I'm actually going to use some curling mousse, or it's just regular mousse actually. I use that to make sure there's no flyaways or anything. And just to style the baby hairs, you want to be really careful that you don't lift the lace. So when I'm done styling the hair, I'm actually going to put my scarf back on while I do my makeup, and then that's just going to help everything just lay. And once you take off the scarf, everything's just gonna look super natural and not harsh. We don't want any harsh baby hairs. We want to look like they're just flowing from our scalp. So here is the final look. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at these baby hairs. Bomb. Super natural. This lace is everything. This hair is everything. Oh my gosh, like for real. I was inspired by Arrogant Tay and Jayda Cheaves. You know, they are slaying on the gram, and I want to do my baby hairs like hers and get her little half up, half down do that she wears sometimes, and I think I did that. This look was super easy to do because the hair did come pre-plucked, and what I did was just bleach the knots and pluck it a little bit more, and it saved me a lot of time because it came pre-plucked. So I didn't have to pluck for hours, which was great, more like 20-30 minutes. This hair is super straight. It's 24 inches, and what can I say? Oh, it doesn't shed or tangle. Let me show you guys the back. This hair is everything slayed, period. So tell me what you guys think about this hair in the description box. Do you like the style? Are you gonna try? Are you gonna purchase this wig? Let me know. I love to interact with you guys. I wanna thank you so much for watching this video, and Donmily Hair for sending me this hair. Until my next video, peace.